Yo, what up? It's your boy Unicorn for Trap House Detail, and today we are going to be doing a IGL Kenzo ceramic install on a ZL1. As you can see, we're barely here. We're going to set up. So I'm going to record how I set it up so that I can get ready to do this type of work. So let's get started. Peace. All right, so we finished setting up. We got everything ready to go. We got the tent out. We set up all the tools, the pad washer. We got the polishers out, the chemicals. We got our coatings. Actually, coatings are there. And we got our stuff ready to go. So we're gonna start up the car. Oh yeah. All right, let's get to work. All right, so we're out here, we're correcting the ZL1, and I just wanted to give you some of the things that I do when I do a paint correction. And one of the things I believe in is having a clean pad per panel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the pad and get it ready for the next panel. So we're gonna use my pad cleaner. So I'll show you how we do this. And there you go, the pad is clean and ready to go. So let's get back to work, baby. All right, so we're back. We finished doing the correction. We finished cleaning the interior. We finished correcting the power dome. And then we also did our final pre-coat wipe down. And we are ready to coat the car with IGL Kenzo. Let's go take a look at what we're using today. So today we are going to use these guys right here. IGL Kenzo is my first it's my first install, not my first ceramic install, but my first IGL Kenzo install since I got certified. So let's knock this thing out. Peace. All right, the first layer is down. Kenzo base coat is down right now, so we're just gonna wait. We're gonna park it inside. I still got 48 minutes on the clock before I can start to put the second layer. Yeah, this thing's looking super wet. Look at that. Man, Kenzo's amazing. All right, so let's wait 48 minutes, put the second layer on and go home. Thank you.